Are you ready?
Time to take van life to a whole new level. Let's do it.
Oh, look how good.
Look how red it is. Oh, yeah. That's so sick. Wow. And he did such a good job.
He did a great job.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome.
Dude, that's great. That took like, what was it, like 15 minutes?
I cannot believe that. That was so fast.
That was really fast.
Less than 30 minutes.
Dude, these guys go quick and they do a great job.
We're gonna go get some beers now.
We forgot to mention that we got to Bozeman and met these guys, what, 3 hours ago? I don't know. It's like earlier
it's the
today.
morning.
Yeah. And then coerced Matt into getting a tattoo.
It took very little course.
We're like, we're getting a tattoo. What do you think? And he's like, I'm gonna go with two.
Yeah, he's like, I'll go with two. So now we have matching tattoos.
Yeah.
Can't solidify.
He's been dying for one anyway, so. So I didn't get a tattoo. I'm not in the tat gang because I actually don't have any tats and I don't really want one. But maybe like a year down the line, Matt and I can get matching tattoos when he realizes that he wants me to be his wife. How do you feel, Matt?
I feel great. I love getting tattoos. It's been a while. The feeling is there.
Yep. It looks pretty sick. Although the bandage makes it look kind of grimy.
Well, it's just the healing process. It's gonna be sick, and your salve is gonna be great for the lotion.
Yes, it will be. Oh, that was a good plug. I should have plugged it. Okay, I have a video of me making a DIY salve. It's like 3 ingredients. It's good for healing, good for moisturizing. Matt's gonna use it on his tattoo. Actually, do you want to do an experiment? How well it does?
I'm sure it's gonna be great.
I'll make some for these guys.
Yeah.
Cool. After we left Sidney, Montana, we came to Bozeman, drove 6 hours to get here, met up with Sam and Kelly. Now we're gonna hit a brewery.
This beats Sidney so much.
Hey, Sonny.
The world is our outdoors. Backyard.
Hey, Sonny.
Look, we brought out the rug to make it kind of a vibe.
Yeah, it is a vibe.
Yeah.
Holy shit. That's awesome.